ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad Konggal Sangma Ulaong Bahado menta kiladon sangut kibala syakem namar ka jingdon ketiban bo bom ha kredop office jong ka NPP. Ulia tho bo uwei ni kibala syakem ubadairu nong bo bom ula playa ka kam ga bo ulale bat dailum ba jong u la yo kem sa sangut ki wei pat ki parlok jong ki bat ki pulit ki dang thwet ban yo kem sa ye ki wei pat. Hadu mentau Konrad Ulaong baki pulit kidang tokit banyak ya ketai ke jingjia lakadon bentane em bat kasan perthai namar bahadu mentaru 4 la ban penthi kena.
Total 5 arrests have been made. Apart from the individual who actually placed the bomb outside, he has already been caught and he has already testified. So he has already accepted that he is the one who placed it, and through him we were able to again connect with another 4 people. So all those 4 also have been arrested, and likely that in the next 24 hours, 48 hours, another few arrests will be made. NPP should not look at this as a political thing. Now let me make it very clear. I never made that statement. It was in response to a similar question like what you're asking me today. Somebody had asked, I forgot who, that is there a possible political link to this incident? And my reply was, there could be. We cannot simply write that off. So I never made that statement. I simply was reacting to a question that was asked by one of you. But I request if those kind of questions should not be made as if I'm making a statement. So coming back to your question, that there could be, but we don't know. But police will of course look at all the angles and will do the investigation. And police is doing a good work right now. And as I said, 5 arrests have been made, and possibly more arrests will be made. And they're very much into the entire